Hey, what is up guys? Blue Thunder here, and today I'm going to be telling you how to paraglide in Zelda Breath of the Wild. So for those of you that don't know, real quick before I actually tell you, I haven't been making videos because of this whole coronavirus stuff going on, and it's really been messing up my entire life. I haven't been able to do anything at all, so but that's just something I want to tell you guys real quick for those who are wondering. How you paraglide in Zelda Breath of the Wild is you hit the whatever jump button is for the Switch, which is what I'm gonna imagine most of you are playing on. You're gonna hit the jump button, which is X, and then you're gonna hit X again. You're gonna give it a second after you get into the air. You're gonna hit X, and you gotta make sure that you have a good bit of distance between you and the ground. You gotta actually have room to paraglide, and yeah, that's how you do it. If you're wondering how you get it in the beginning of the game before you leave the first area. You have to do 4 shrines for this guy, one of which I'm showing you now, and yeah. And if you're actually having trouble for some reason it's not working, you are doing it right. Try reloading your game. This is kind of a simple thing, but really the only fix there is. Other than that, you might just have to load it back. You know, like quite a bit. to wherever before whatever that glitch happened where you can't use it, but that's just if you're not able to use it. And yeah, that's really it. Really fast and simple. And thank you guys for watching, and if you are watching all the way to the end, consider subscribing, because I can't even go to school right now, and times are getting pretty hard here. I'm kind of stuck, kind of out of it, and I don't see a way to fix it besides maybe this, but it's a long shot. So consider helping me out, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.